Why eyesight improvement courses are the best eye care? Taking care of our eyes is crucial nowadays, and eyesight improvement courses offer unique benefits. Let's explore why they might just be the best option for your care needs. The importance of eye care. Before we dive into the benefits of eyesight improvement courses, let's understand why eye care is so important. Our eyes plays a vital role in our daily lives. Regular eye care is essential to maintain good vision and prevent potential eye problems. Many of us use eye drops or wear prescription glasses. These methods often only provide temporary relief without solving the underlying causes. Advantages of eyesight improvement courses now. Let's discuss why eyesight improvement courses stand out as the best option for comprehensive eye care. First, eyesight improvement courses take the safest approach to eye care. Eye training courses focus not only on improving visual acuity but also on enhancing overall visual health and functionality. They aim at various aspects of vision, including eye coordination, focusing, ability, and peripheral awareness. Second, each person's eyesight is unique, and eyesight improvement courses provide customized solutions based on individual visual needs. For specific vision problems, you need specific eye exercises for more effective results. Third, one significant advantage of eyesight improvement courses is that they are non-invasive and drug-free. Unlike surgeries or certain medical treatments, eye training relies on natural techniques and eye exercises to improve vision. This reduces the risk of side effects and complications. Fourth, long-term results. While traditional methods like prescription glasses provide temporary vision correction, eyesight improvement courses aim for long-term results by working with the root causes of vision issues. Clear vision habits help maintain improved vision even after completing the program. Eyesight improvement courses, Eyesight Academy, not only focuses on vision improvement but also on overall eye health. A link in the description below. Eye training courses educate participants about eye health habits, eye exercises, and ways to reduce eye strain. These practices can benefit you, especially in the digital age when screen time is so high. In conclusion, eyesight improvement courses offer great benefits to eye care, non-invasive methods, and focus on long-term results make them stand out as the best choice for improving and maintaining healthy vision.